What's going on, y'all? How y'all doing? Hope y'all doing good. Thank you for coming by to watch another one of my videos on today. I appreciate y'all so much. So we're going to get right into it. I was sent this wig from Hermosa hair. I hope I'm saying it right. Big shout out to them for sending me out this wig. They sent me out a 5x5 lace closure wig. I believe it's their HD lace. It is a 24-inch, and the density is 220% density. So I did a no baby hair look with this one. Y'all know me. I always like to twist my closures to the side because I'm a side part girl. I've been a side part girl before it was trendy. I'm just a side part girl. But anyway, I wanted to show you all how I defined the curls on this wig, because the curls on this one they're very pretty curls, but it's more on the kinkier side to me. It's like a juicy kinky curl, if that makes sense. But I wanted to show y'all how I defined the curls. So if you get this wig, you can know how to define the curls and make them look super juicy and moisturized and all of that. But yeah, y'all, this wig, it was super full. The hair is super soft, really soft, and the lace on the wig was very thin. It did look like scalp after I melted it with the milk band. Y'all know I go the glueless method, so I just used my hairspray to melt it down, and I was good to go. So yeah, all I used to define my curls was water and some Lotta Body mousse. That's it. So I'm gonna let y'all watch the video. It's self-explanatory. Of course, if y'all have any questions for me, y'all can leave them down below, and I'm gonna get back to y'all. Big shout out to Hermosa hair for sending me out this wig. I thank them so much. And yeah, y'all enjoyed the video. I'll talk to y'all later.
She had a gap.